of a man who is foolish and unknowing. Never should one desire his love or grace, for a fool brings greater dishonest trace to the one who most grants him consents bestowing. For his blaming is but a form of praising, and his praising shows great blame amazing. And he who makes a fool his intimate truly loves more to take harm than good unduly. Wishes to have worth, full growing, and love's true praise that time will not efface, cannot ever do too much honor in its place to a man who is wise and deeply knowing. For the wise man knows what praise is worth raising, so he must be held dear for this display.